TEAS 7 Exam 2026. Question 1. After Gold Group 28 reads a passage about sleep and memory during the 2026 prep review, which sentence states the main idea? Option A. Memory depends only on intelligence. Option B. Longer study sessions always beat rest. Option C. Timed tests should be avoided. Option D. Adequate sleep supports memory and test performance. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because it captures the link between rest, recall, and performance. Memory depends only on intelligence is wrong because the passage connects memory with sleep habits, and longer study sessions always beat rest is wrong because the passage does not say more hours always help. Timed tests should be avoided is wrong because the passage discusses performance, not avoiding tests. Question 2. When Gold Group 28 sees details that a student rereads the same paragraph 3 times, yawns, and misses 2 simple details, which inference is most reasonable? Option A. The answer key is missing. Option B. The student has finished early. Option C. The student may be fatigued. Option D. The paragraph has no main idea. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because repeated rereading, yawning, and missed details point to tiredness affecting attention. The answer key is missing is wrong because nothing suggests a missing key, and the student has finished early is wrong because the details show struggle rather than completion. The paragraph has no main idea is wrong because the problem shown is attention, not the paragraph structure. Question 3. During Gold Group 28's 2026 prep review, a passage explains how a calculator policy works and gives examples of allowed use. Which author purpose fits best? Option A. To tell a fictional mystery. Option B. To inform readers about a testing policy. Option C. To sell medical equipment. Option D. To frighten readers away from testing. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because definitions and examples are used to explain information clearly. To tell a fictional mystery is wrong because the text is explanatory, not fictional, and to sell medical equipment is wrong because no product is offered. To frighten readers away from testing is wrong because the language explains rather than scares. Question 4. While Gold Group 28 outlines a passage that moves from registration to test day to score report, which structure is being used? Option A. Problem and solution. Option B. Cause and effect. Option C. Classification. Option D. Chronological order. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because the details follow the order in which events happen. Problem and solution is wrong because no main problem is introduced and solved, and cause and effect is wrong because the focus is sequence rather than results. Classification is wrong because the passage is not grouping types. Question 5. Before Gold Group 28 accepts the claim that reading directions carefully prevents mistakes, which detail gives the strongest support? Option A. The school opened in 1998. Option B. In one review, most missed items came from ignoring words such as except and first. Option C. One student wore a blue jacket. Option D. The test room was quiet. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because the evidence connects direction words with missed questions. The school opened in 1998 is wrong because the school date does not support the claim, and one student wore a blue jacket is wrong because clothing is irrelevant. The test room was quiet is wrong because a quiet room does not prove direction reading prevents errors. Question 6. Since Gold Group 28 sees the word concise in the tutor gave concise directions before the timed drill, which meaning fits the context? Option A. Angry and loud. Option B. Brief and clear. Option C. Confusing and hidden. Option D. Bold and fragile. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because concise means giving necessary information without extra words. Angry and loud is wrong because emotion and volume are not part of the word meaning, and confusing and hidden is wrong because concise directions should be easier to follow, not hidden. Old and fragile is wrong because age and condition do not fit the sentence. Question 7. Given gold group 28 answers 17 out of 40 practice items correctly, which percent matches the result? Option A, 57.5%. Option B, 23.53%. Option C, 42.5%. Option D, 29.82%. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because 17 divided by 40 equals 0.425, and multiplying by 100 gives 42.5%. 57.5% is wrong because it subtracts before converting rather than converting the given fraction, and 23.53% is wrong because it uses the wrong comparison instead of dividing the part by the whole. 29.82% is wrong because it compares the part to the total plus the part or uses an incomplete setup. Question 8. If gold group 28's score rises from 72 to 90, what percent increase should be recorded? Option A, 20%. Option B, 25%. Option C, 125%. Option D, 18%. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because the increase is 18, and 18 divided by the original score 72 equals 25%. 20% is wrong because it divides by the new value instead of the original value, and 125% is wrong because it gives the new score as a percent of the old score, not the percent increase. 18% is wrong because it reports the raw point gain rather than dividing by the original value. Question 9. Suppose gold group 28 solves 2x plus 7 equals 15, which value of x makes the equation true? Option A, 5. Option B, 3. Option C, 8. Option D, 4. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because subtracting 7 leaves 2x equals 8, and dividing by 2 gives x equals 4. 5 is wrong because it is one step away from the value that balances both sides, and 3 is wrong because it reverses or skips part of the inverse operation. 8 is wrong because it treats the constant or coefficient as if it were the final answer. Question 10. Using gold group 28's rectangle diagram with 9 cm long and 8 cm wide, which area should be recorded? Option A, 72 square cm. Option B, 34 cm. Option C, 17 square cm. Option D, 1 square cm. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because area is length times width, so 9 times 8 equals 72. 34 centimeters is wrong because that is the perimeter, not the area, and 17 square cm is wrong because it adds the sides rather than multiplying them. 1 square cm is wrong because it subtracts dimensions, which does not measure area. Question 11. From gold group 28's measurement note of 1250 ml, which conversion to L is accurate? Option A, 125 L. Option B, 12.5 L. Option C, 0.125 L. Option D, 1.25 L. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because 1,250 milliliters divided by 1,000 equals 1.25 liters. 125 L is wrong because it moves the decimal in the wrong direction, and 12.5 L is wrong because it divides by 100 instead of 1,000. 0.125 L is wrong because it divides by 10,000 instead of 1,000. Question 12. In gold group 28's score set 76, 67, 70, 92, 77, which median should be reported? Option A, 92. Option B, 76.4. Option C, 76. Option D, 67. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because the scores are ordered as 67, 70, 76, 77, 92, and the middle value rule gives 76. 92 is wrong because it selects another listed score instead of the central value, and 76.4 is wrong because it uses a mean-like or added value rather than the median method. 67 is wrong because it is an extreme value or unrelated value rather than the middle after sorting. Question 13. For gold group 28, 5 review packets cost $25. At the same rate, how much do 8 packets cost? Option A, $40. Option B, $35. Option C, $33. Option D, of $40. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because $25 divided by 5 gives $5 per packet, and 8 packets cost $40. $40 is wrong because it multiplies the two quantities and ignores the price, and $35 is wrong because it is 1 unit price short of the proportional cost. $33 is wrong because it adds the new quantity to the old cost instead of finding the unit rate. Question 14. Near Gold Group 28's protein-making review, which organelle matches the function being reviewed? Option A, lysosomes. Option B, mitochondria. Option C, ribosomes. Option D, vacuoles. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because ribosomes assemble amino acids into proteins. Lysosomes is wrong because lysosomes digest waste materials, and mitochondria is wrong because mitochondria produce ADP rather than proteins. Vacuoles is wrong because vacuoles mainly store materials. Question 15. Because Gold Group 28 traces circulation and blood leaves the right ventricle, where does it go next? Option A, aorta toward the body. Option B, pulmonary vein toward the left atrium. Option C, pulmonary artery toward the lungs. Option D, vena cava toward the right atrium. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because the right ventricle pumps deoxygenated blood through the pulmonary artery to the lungs. Aorta toward the body is wrong because the aorta receives oxygenated blood from the left ventricle, and pulmonary vein toward the left atrium is wrong because pulmonary veins return blood from lungs, not from the right ventricle. Vena cava toward the right atrium is wrong because the vena cava brings blood into the heart. Question 16. Although Gold Group 28 sees alveoli drawn as tiny sacs, which feature helps oxygen enter blood quickly? Option A, a sealed membrane with no blood flow. Option B, a small surface area. Option C, a large surface area. Option D, a layer of enamel. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because many tiny sacs create more area for oxygen and carbon dioxide to diffuse. A sealed membrane with no blood flow is wrong because blood flow is needed to carry gases, and a small surface area is wrong because less area would reduce gas exchange. A layer of enamel is wrong because enamel is tooth tissue, not lung tissue. Question 17. Once Gold Group 28 notices that blood glucose rises and insulin is released, which process explains the response? Option A, negative feedback. Option B, diffusion. Option C, inflammation. Option D, positive feedback. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because insulin lowers blood glucose, opposing the original rise. Diffusion is wrong because diffusion is particle movement and not the regulatory loop, and inflammation is wrong because inflammation is an immune response, not this glucose control loop. Positive feedback is wrong because positive feedback would intensify the rise rather than reduce it. Question 18. Where Gold Group 28 studies genetics and two heterozygous parents have genotype BB, which offspring chance matches the expected result? Option A, 25%. Option B, 50%. Option C, 100%. Option D, 75%. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because a BB times BB cross gives BB, 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 and BB, so 1 of 4 shows the recessive phenotype. 50% is wrong because 2 of 4 offspring are carriers but only 1 shows the recessive phenotype, and 100% is wrong because not every offspring receives 2 recessive alleles. 75% is wrong because 3 of 4 have the dominant phenotype, not the recessive phenotype. Question 19. As Gold Group 28 reviews chemistry and an atom has 11 protons, which conclusion follows? Option A, its atomic number is 11. Option B, it has no charge. Option C, its mass number must be 11. Option D, it has 11 electron shells. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because atomic number equals the number of protons in an atom. It has no charge is wrong because charge depends on the proton-electron balance, not proton count alone, and its mass number must be 11 is wrong because mass number equals protons plus neutrons. It has 11 electron shells is wrong because shell number is not determined directly by proton count. Question 20. Under Gold Group 28's experiment testing whether caffeine affects reaction time, which setup is the control group? Option A. A group tested in a louder room. Option B. A group that skips measurement. Option C. A group receiving no caffeine but completing the same reaction test. Option D. A group receiving caffeine and a harder test. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because the no caffeine group provides a baseline for comparison. A group tested in a louder room is wrong because noise adds a confounding variable, and a group that skips measurement is wrong because without measurement there is no comparison. A group receiving caffeine and a harder test is wrong because test difficulty changes along with caffeine. Question 21. Between Gold Group 28's grammar options, which sentence uses subject-verb agreement correctly? Option A. The data from the lab be recorded carefully. Option B. The data from the lab are recorded carefully. Option C. The data from the lab is recorded carefully. Option D. The datum from the labs are recorded carefully. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because data is commonly treated as plural in formal science usage, so are fits. The data from the lab be recorded carefully is wrong because be is not the correct finite verb here, and the data from the lab is recorded carefully is wrong because some informal usage allows this, but formal science grammar often treats data as plural. The datum from the labs are recorded carefully is wrong because singular datum would need is. Question 22. Inside Gold Group 28's sentence the students placed blank notebooks under the desk. Which pronoun should replace the blank? Option A. Its. Option B. Their. Option C. His. Option D. Ourself. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because students is plural, so the plural possessive pronoun there agrees. Its is wrong because it refers to a singular non-human noun, and his is wrong because his is singular and masculine, so it does not agree with students. Ourself is wrong because ourself is not the standard pronoun form. Question 23. Through Gold Group 28's punctuation review, which sentence uses a semicolon correctly? Option A. The timer rang, everyone stopped writing. Option B. The timer rang when everyone stopped writing. Option C. The timer rang everyone stopped writing. Option D. The timer rang everyone stopped writing. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because each side can stand alone as a complete sentence. The timer rang when everyone stopped writing is wrong because the second part is a dependent clause, and the timer rang everyone stopped writing is wrong because the mark splits subject and verb. The timer rang everyone stopped writing is wrong because the first part is not properly separated. Question 24. According to Gold Group 28's grammar check, which revision fixes the run-on sentence? Option A. Reviewing grammar before the quiz so familiar. Option B. She reviewed grammar before the quiz, so the rules felt familiar. Option C. She reviewed grammar before the quiz the rules felt familiar. Option D. She reviewed grammar before the quiz, the rules felt familiar. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because so with a comma correctly shows a cause-effect relationship between clauses. Reviewing grammar before the quiz so familiar is wrong because the wording is a fragment, and she reviewed grammar before the quiz the rules felt familiar is wrong because the independent clauses are fused. She reviewed grammar before the quiz, the rules felt familiar is wrong because a comma alone is not enough. Question 25. Beyond Gold Group 28's vocabulary drill, which meaning does the prefix sub-dash add? Option A. Many. Option B. Under or below. Option C. Same. Option D. Above. The correct answer is option. The selected answer fits because sub means under or below, as in subcutaneous beneath the skin. Many is wrong because many is poly dash, and same is wrong because same is homo dash. Above is wrong because above is super dash.